especially now because we're open a lot more. So.
Yeah.
All right. Attorney, can you come up to the, I need you to be like that speaker. So that's
We're just set it for bench trial today.
okay, cool. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andre Martini Williams. This is ticket SP 1411139. Failed to immediately disclose to officer that he or she is carrying a weapon. Ticket number SP 1411138. One count reckless driving. Also ticket number SP, nope, not SP, but 735773. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay. Dennis Whitey, P79560. Wasn't aware if Ms. Schneider was on.
I appreciate that. And your name for the record, sir, Mr. Williams?
Andre Martini Williams.
Okay. All right, this is the date and time set in these particular matters for, I believe, a pre-trial in all of these matters. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
That is correct, Your Honor. Today's a pre-trial. I've discussed our options with my client. I spoke to the prosecutor already, and what we're going to do is set this for a bench trial for all cases and all matters in person if possible, to try to get everything taken care of.
You want to do it in person, not on Zoom?
Yeah, in person if we're going to be crossing witness. I tried it on Zoom once and it was so frustrating for the judge.
All right, that's fine. I was going to say, sir, is that correct? You want to have a bench trial for this matter?
That'll be fine. I got a question though. If I was to bring a witness, would they be able to participate during Zoom, or do they have to be in person also?
Well, that would be up to your counsel. I would allow someone to testify from Zoom as well if they needed to. I would prefer if everybody was in person, that we do it in person. But if that person couldn't make it and they needed to be on Zoom, I would allow them to be on Zoom if that's okay.
Yeah, I know he's the CEO for a school district, and I know school's starting back up, so he'll probably be.
And I hope he was in the car with you that day too. How about that? So, all right. So if you want a bench trial, please raise your right hand. Well, you know that you said that day, but we'll see what day it is. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's an in-person bench trial where you would come in, your witnesses obviously will be able to testify. They would also present witnesses to people. And at the end of the day, I will use the law to make a decision. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. The days I have right now, November 1st.
Oh, okay.
I know.
No worries.
It's not close.
I started jury trial that.
Okay. So.
Or that Wednesday, I should say, Judge. So that Monday or Tuesday might. If you had Halloween.
For that other, are you going to need to prep for that other case though?
Yeah, you know what? That's a good point. Thank you, Judge, for looking at it.
No problem. How long are you anticipating that you may need to be in that?
That's going to be a 2 to 3 day trial over in circuit.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
And it's over at Third Circuit.
Yes, correct.
Look at that next week.
Okay.
I know I'm not.
Thursday the 9th would be great if you had it.
You know what? If it's in person, it may not be there. Okay, Thursday the 9th. November. Mm-hmm. Yes, no, it must have been that day. Okay. But if we're doing an in-person trial, that might be nice, actually.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I know. All right, November 9th.
Okay.
Okay. November the 9th. I'll make it at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond and continue it at $0. Okay, sir?
All right.
All right. If there's nothing further, you are all set. We'll see you both later.
Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Williams. Take care.
All right. Thank you.
Terrence Ward,
Yes.
good morning. Are you Terrence?
Yes.
Okay, have you checked in? Please put your phone on mute.
Okay.
Mr. Ward, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's a place where you can speak with the attorney in private about your case.
Okay.
Okay, when you receive that invitation, press join
Okay.
for breakout room number 24.
Madam Clerk? Hello?
Good morning. Attorney DeBoer.
Hey, Madam Clerk, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
You know, it's a struggle this morning. I got to be in so many places at one time. They're driving me nuts.
Okay, so are you ready on your client?
Yeah, I got a question for you. When I spoke with the prosecutor last time, they told me we set it for a trial date because they couldn't get a hold of the OIC, and she said that the case might get dismissed. Did she put anything in the file?
No, but I can get in contact with her.
If you put me in a breakout room with her, I think that was the intent because we weren't able to get anything from the city about the violation. He went there, I went there. I know that she was checking, but I just don't think I can't say until I talk to her, but I think that the mindset was possibly for a dismissal today.
Okay, what's your P number?
59507. And I think the prosecutor was Alexa last time.
Yes, that's who it is. I'm gonna get in contact with her now so you can speak with her.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and put you in breakout room number 30, Mr. Jumbo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Jarboa? Oh, shoot.
Attorney Jara,
Yes, Madam Clerk.
this is the judge. You have your hand raised. What's going on? How you doing? Good morning to you, sir.
First of all, my apologies. Sorry, Judge,
No,
I didn't
it's
see
okay.
you.
I was gonna say, I don't get upset about stuff like that. We got so many people talking to you. You don't know whose mouth is moving. But I saw your hand was raised. What's going on, sir?
I have a question for you. My client is having a hard time logging on to Zoom. Can I put him on speakerphone if you can hear him? I'll do whatever you say. I'm just trying to figure out the easiest way to do it.
I prefer to have them on, but it depends on what type of resolution y'all come to. So
It's a-
we're getting,
It's a dismissal.
okay. Oh, Attorney Snyder is still here. You talked to her, okay.
Yep.
All right, fantastic. All right, get him on the phone so I can hear him.
I got him. He's right here.
Okay.
So you're talking to the judge, so you better be respectful.
Okay, all right. You're gonna have to put it right up to the mic though, so that we can hear all of his responses, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to hear it. No, I'm just talking. All right, you don't have to put him on the record, just have him listening to this hearing, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Manhal Yusuf. This is ticket number U 45034518. This is one count beverage liquor establishment failed to obtain license. Can I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. For the record, Christopher Jarbo, P59507, appearing on behalf of Mr. Yusuf, who I have available via audio.
All right, and Mr. Yusuf, you know that his name, the person that you spoke to on the phone this morning is Mr. Yusuf, right?
Oh, absolutely. I've talked to him many, many times.
All right, and he's having audio issues with connecting to Zoom this morning.
He is. He's technologically challenged, Your Honor.
All right, he knew this was coming though. Tell your client when he has court dates, he needs to make sure that some days before he knows how to get on and do all these things. That's not an excuse. If it was in person, he would have to bring himself down,
I
pay
know.
the court, and do all of that, okay? So make sure for future time. But do
I
you
will.
have a motion at this time, counsel?
I do, Your Honor. I second the motion from the prosecutor's office to have this matter dismissed. We have no objection, and I'd ask you to please do so.
All right, at this time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Make sure you give him that lecture off record. I didn't need you to respond because you made it on.
You know what? I deserve it today, Your Honor. I deserve it.
Okay, all right, sir. If there's
And
nothing
Your
further-
Honor, you have the absolute nicest clerk of any court I've been to. I'm telling you.
Aw, thank you.
She
Thank
is such
you very
she's such a beautiful person. I had to say it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, I
Thank
appreciate
you.
that. All right, if
All
there's
right.
nothing further, you're
Nothing
all
further.
set. Thank you.
I'll leave you alone. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. You're all set. Thank you. Tell Mr. Yusuf to keep his license up always, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So you know, Sandy, Mr. Whitey said the same thing about you, complimented the staff and they're being able to navigate everything this morning, being such a busy courtroom late. So Mr. Whitey complimented you as well, this morning.
Okay, thank you for saying that, Judge. And Mr. Who?
Whitey, who was online,
Yeah.
for Mr. Andre Williams,
Okay, all right. Thanks for saying that. I appreciate it.
you're welcome.
And I agree. I agree with the attorney, Mary.
Oh, thank you, Sandy.
A sweet person. I hope you know what I'm.
Sandy said you are a sweet
I know
person,
that.
she started laughing.
Right.
But sometimes I get in a place, but that we all good.
I must say, we are good, but but just, I want you to know that I get compliments on my staff and I truly, truly appreciate it very much. When I get to hear that from people who walk in and tell me how awesome everybody does in the morning, so I appreciate it.
Well, you make us proud too, Judge, so.
Aw, thank
Yeah.
y'all.
Mr. Woods was complaining about having, I'll call you. Hello, sir. Welcome back. No, again. The gentleman in the red t-shirt. Okay, can you hear me now, sir, in the red t-shirt? You're on mute. Take your phone off mute.
All right. Can you hear me?
I can. You were here before. Can you tell me your name again?
Charles Youngblood.
Okay. Why'd you leave Zoom, Mr. Youngblood?
I don't even know how to do all this, ma'am. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Did you receive a phone call?
No, I did not.
Okay. All right. Well, I forgot where you were. Oh, you were in the waiting room. I'll put you back in the waiting room. You spoke with the attorney, right?
No, I ain't speak to nobody, and and that's why I called back. Like I ain't talked to nobody. I've been in the waiting room for like an hour.
Okay. Nobody came in to speak with you. I'll put you back in the waiting room.
So you want me to just wait still?
When I said,
Yes, Mr. Youngblood, Mr. Youngblood, I have 20 people today and I have 2 attorneys and they're moving as fast as they possibly can. I know it's a long process. But you
Okay,
just got,
I ain't know. I ain't know.
no, Mr. Youngblood, you keep asking us though, because you came back out here once before and you asked us about your.
Yeah.
Right,
Okay.
Mr. Youngblood? And we told you that we weren't gonna get off without you doing it. This is the judge talking. I'm not gonna get out without having you heard, but you just gotta ask.
Okay. My apology. I don't know, cause I'm very persistent. My apology. So put you back in the waiting room, and I'll wait, and I'll just do the phone, and I'll just wait. And you put me back in the breaking room.
yes, press number 3. Press join breakout room. I'm sorry, breakout room number 23. Mr. Youngblood. Can you hear me, Mr. Youngblood? The person who just joined us, what's your name?
Pharrell, right?
Arel White. You were here earlier, Mr.
Yeah, I've been on the. Yes, I've been on the phone for 2 hours in the waiting room. I told you my phone was dropping calls. It had dropped it just now.
Okay, do you remember what? Oh, you're in the.
Ma'am, say that again. Your phone going in and out.
Did you speak with an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Back to the courtroom?
Yes, I think so.
Hey, can you turn off the background noise? Like at the telephone?
Say that one more time.
Can you turn off the noises in the background?
Hold on. Hello. Hello.
Hi, okay, okay, that's better. Did the attorney tell you to come back out to the courtroom?
You said, did they tell me to go back out to the?
Yes.
Yeah, I think she did. Like I said, I've been on the phone for 2 hours. I was still on this site.
I'm gonna put you,
Then my phone just.
I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, Mr. Wright. And we'll call you back out when the judge is ready to hear your case.
Okay, I'm just trying because it just keeps on cutting me off after so long. This phone, I mean, so my whole area that I live in is a dead zone. So
Can you hear me, Mr. Youngblood?
do all this shit, man.
I can hear you, Mr. Youngblood. Please watch your mouth.
Okay, excuse me.
Mr.
I just
Youngblood, would you like to just come down? Would you like to come pay for parking and come down and handle it in person?
yes, I would prefer that,
Okay.
ma'am.
October, come see me October 16th in person.
Okay, I'll be there October 16th because I know all this phone stuff. You got me confused and I'm frustrated, ma'am.
October 16th in person.
Okay, I'll be there.
Officer Hasek?
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to come let you guys know I have to testify for AWIM right now at 36th District. So if you guys need me, if you could text me.
It's all right, just go ahead and go. Did you leave I'll let you handle it, Sandy, never mind.
Well, that's okay. I was just gonna ask if you would leave your phone number in chat.
Okay, yeah, I'll drop it in the chat.
All right, thanks.
Thank you, officer. Good luck to you too testifying today, okay?
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Sure.
That's okay, Judge. Anytime. Mr. Wright? Harrell Wright? Harrell Wright?
Hello?
Mr. Wright, did you speak with
Hello?
him? Did you speak with
Yes,
him?
I did.
Okay.
Well, all this stuff. Oh, let me put my.
Good morning, Judge Taylor. How are you today?
You don't want to ask that question, Attorney Bradfield. It's 11 a.m. I don't know what's going on today. I've had 30. All right, all right. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm ready on all of my clients, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah. You got it.
Ms. Whitney? Unmute yourself for me, please. Unmute yourself for me, please.
Mute. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Now calling the matter of People versus Catrice Monique Whitney. This is one count urination, defecation in public. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578 on behalf of Ms. Whitney. State your name for the record, please.
Catrice Whitney.
Your Honor, my client would like to ask that this matter be set for a bench trial. She is aware of her jury trial rights. Is that correct, Ms. Whitney?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It is my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, the date is going to be November 1st. November 1st at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
What time was that again, Judge?
9 a.m., okay? 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Derek Williams.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Derek Antoine Williams. This is ticket SP 14316606. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Count 3, failed to use due caution stationary authorized emergency response. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your full name for the record, sir.
Derek Williams,
And what is your middle name?
Antoine.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams would like to ask that this matter be set for a bench trial. He is aware of his jury trial rights. Is that correct, Mr. Williams?
Yes,
If that's the case, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of November 1st. November 1st at 9 a.m. Yep. That's my earliest trial date, sorry. November 1st at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond. Why? You got something that's pending or holding, a job that you need this cleared up for?
Huh?
You got a job that
No.
you need this for? Okay. All right, I'll see you November 1st, 9 a.m. via Zoom. Bond set at $0. Okay?
All right.
All right, have a good day. Benson Woods, Mr. Woods. Go ahead, take your hat off for me for court today.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Take your hat off for court, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Vincent Anthony Woods. This is ticket number SP 1445795. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Wood. State your full name for the record, please.
That's Anthony Woods.
Your Honor, Mr. Woods would like to ask this matter be set for a bench trial. He is aware of his jury trial rights. Is that correct, sir?
Yes,
All right, if that's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
correct.
All right, I'll set this matter for a bench trial on the date of November 1st. November 1st via Zoom at 9 a.m., okay?
I appreciate you.
That's right. No problem, sir. All right, you enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Same, man.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
All right.
November the 1st.
November 1st at 9 a.m.
I'll
Thank
be
you,
there.
bro.
I'll be there.
Bond set at $0, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Can I hang up now?
Yep, you can go ahead and hang up. Thank you for your patience today.
Thank you. I appreciate y'all.
No problem.
All right, hang up. How do I?
Alethea Ann Weathers, is that you, ma'am?
Yes, that's me.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Aletha Ann Weathers. This is ticket SP 1442014. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 1203042. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Weathers. State your name for the record, please.
Alethea Weathers.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, she stand muted and wait for more readings.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, she would like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial date.
All right, ma'am. I'm gonna set this for a pretrial date on the date of October 16th. October 16th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. October 16th, 8:30 a.m. I'll set this via Zoom. Bond will be at $0, okay?
Okay.
Yep. October 16th, 8:30 a.m. Zoom at $0. All right, you're all set, Ms. Weathers.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. All right, he had to go to the homicide. Right. Mr. Wright?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Ryan Malik White. This is ticket SP 1416719, one count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket SP 1416721, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. White. State your name for the record, please.
Ryan Malik White.
Your Honor, today is the day and time set for trial. The officer did appear. Mr. White is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a responsible plea to expire plates and accept the offer, which includes dismissal of the misdemeanor charge.
All right. Sir, you want to take advantage of that today?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the charge of expired plates. The remaining count will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $145. Typically, it takes 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time?
Yes.
You sure? You need more time?
Can I get more time?
Yes, Your
How
Honor.
much time?
He's currently a full-time college student.
Okay. How much time do you need, Mr. White?
Just about like 30 days so I can just save some money up.
Okay, is that gonna be enough time? You want me to give you 60 just in case?
Yes.
All right, make some payments on it. You don't have to pay it all at once, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Your
All right. You can do 50, 50, 50, okay? Over a 3-month, 2-month period, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Was Terrence Ward one of the people you talked to, Attorney Bradfield, or no?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Ward, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, okay? Give me 1 second on you, okay?
Okay.
Lauren Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Lauren Deja Williams. This is ticket number SP 1463911, city parks and public places when it's closed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your name for the record, please.
Lauren Williams.
Your Honor, Ms. Williams is aware of her trial rights. However, she would like to enter a guilty plea in exchange for a delayed sentence. This delayed sentence is upon payment, and Ms. Williams indicated she just need one week.
Okay. All right, ma'am, if that's the case, please raise your right hand. The other right hand.
Sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you,
No.
promise you in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date on or about July 3rd of 2023. Were you in the area of West Jefferson and West Grand Boulevard in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And is that a public place? Was it closed at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
What time in the morning was it?
It was just closing, so it was like had to be like 10 o'clock, like 10:10. Or yeah.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well. We'll enter a plea to one count of city parks, public places closed. What's at that location? I'm trying to think, West Grand Boulevard and West Jefferson. Is it that park, with the light that comes out of it?
Yeah, they got like the swing sets and stuff, the bridge.
It says you were there at 11:35, not no 10 o'clock. Just so you.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I actually know what time it was. I was with somebody, a bad influence.
Did they get a ticket too, Miss Williams?
Yeah, they got the ticket. I didn't want to go, but they made me go, so.
Miss Williams, you gotta take accountability for something. If you don't want to go someplace, you tell somebody no.
Yeah, I told them. I was peer pressured, but yeah, I take it.
It's a hard peer pressure lesson, Miss Williams. Learn. Huh? What are you doing right now with your life? Tell me real quick so I can know what type of fine I want to give you.
Well, I'm a dental assistant. I'm actually late for work, but I work in Southfield at a dental office.
Don't you do this again, Miss Williams.
I won't.
1 second. All right, Miss Williams. It's your one and only freebie, okay? You cannot be in the parks after dark. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. What that means is I'm not gonna assess a fine, so it's gonna be closed.
Thank you so much.
I mean, dismiss, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Don't you do this again. I looked up your record. You ain't had nothing else on it, so.
Okay,
that was
thank
your
you so
second
much.
person. All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will thank you.
And Your Honor, Harrell Wright is also mine, even though there's nothing behind his name anymore.
I wasn't sure. Thank you for letting me know. Is there anybody else besides these last? Shayna Wilson, Medina Wilson, and Harrell Wright. You have anybody else, Attorney Bradfield?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. I think everyone else maybe. I think somebody just signed in late. I think the Levanta, maybe somebody that signed in
I
late.
have their file though, so they were here. I have their
Okay.
file.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. All right. Medina, can you, Miss Wilson, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Medina Khadijah Wilson. This is ticket SP 1293204. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. I also have ticket number SP 1309615. Count 2. Yep, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 810255. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SX 250900611, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Wilson. State your name for the record, please.
Medina Wilson.
Your Honor, Ms. Wilson is aware of her jury trial rights. However, she would like to ask that this matter be set for a bench trial. Is that correct, Ms. Wilson?
Yes.
If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
We're gonna set it for the date of November 1st of 2023. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Yes. You said November the 1st at what time?
November 1st at 9 a.m. via Zoom, November
Okay.
1st. Yes, ma'am, 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, you have a good day.
You too. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Real right? Yeah, hello, sir. How are you doing?
How you doing, Mel?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matters of the people versus Harrell Robert Wright. This is ticket SP 1313941. This is one count violation of the city marijuana code. I also have a ticket that's set for pretrial. Ticket SP 1480263, reckless driving. That's not set until October 6th, but I'll call it with this one. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Wright. State your name for the record, sir.
Harrell, right?
Your Honor, we'd like to ask that this matter be set for a bench trial. He is aware of his jury trial rights. Is that correct, Mr. Wright?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yep. Okay. I figured as much. That's why I called the other one to Attorney Bradfield, because it's a reckless drive.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. If you want to bench trial, please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bradfield about your case and about your rights?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of November the 1st. November the 1st at 9 a.m. Sir, you had a pre-trial set on the date of October 6th. You don't need to come to that, okay? Not for this courtroom. I have that ticket and it's set for a bench trial on November 1st. So your next day to come back is November 1st. I need you, because you sound young enough, and let me look at this age. Yes, you need to figure out how I can see you physically on Zoom for the bench trial, okay?
Yes, ma'am. No, only reason my phone was like this because my phone is off. So I'm through a app that's connected to the Wi-Fi to the house, and it is not a strong connection for the video. So by the time all that goes on, yeah, I will be more intact.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so by that time, that gives you plenty of time. I just need to be able to see you see your face online because it's still via Zoom, Mr. Wright. Okay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Did you say I have you for the 6th too of October?
So I said the one in October, I moved it to November 1st. So just come back November 1st because you were scheduled to come see me. Yes, on October the 6th, but just come back November 1st.
So both of them is the 1st.
Yep, November. I moved them both as a bench trial that day. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then you can handle it either way, but the officers are going to be subpoenaed to be here that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be there November the 1st, or I'll be in contact with you on November the 1st.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, Investigator Maxwell is here on this matter.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to get him out because I don't understand why y'all want an adjournment on this.
Yeah, I spoke to the prosecutor in regards to this. There's a lot going on with this case, and it probably should have never got this far without a court-appointed attorney. And I'm hearing it might be even some more cases, so they're going to try to pull everything I think some more cases that's coming down as well.
I think I got them all. Did you fill all the cases? Did you do the additional case?
You want me to go in and get Investigator Maxwell, Your Honor?
Oh, that's what happened. They were sent back. Okay, I know. I got it now. Okay. Uh-oh. Corporal McCree, I know you're in there. I do.
Okay, I'm going back.
I was about to say, you can stay here, Corporal McCree. You can listen to our session. I don't mind. Come
Okay.
join me.
Thank
Do
you.
you want me to get Investigator Maxwell to come out, Your Honor?
I'm trying, yeah. You get him come
Okay.
up. I'm trying.
You're ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Now calling the matters of people versus Shayelle Wilson. This is ticket number V128650, harboring an unlicensed dog. V ticket 129180, harboring an unlicensed dog. Ticket V129181, failed to vaccinate dog. V ticket 129182, failed to vaccinate dog. V ticket 129183, failed owner's duty of care. V ticket 129184, failed owner's duty of care. Tickets V 129185 and 86, failed owner's duty of care. Tickets V 129187 and 88. These are both tether a dog without securing food and water. V ticket 129201 and V 129202. Failed to vaccinate dog. Ticket V 129203 and 129204. No license for the dog. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in these matters. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Wilson. State your full name for the record, please.
Shia Wilson.
All right, and we have the Investigator Maxwell on as well for the bench trial day. Can you state your name for the record?
Yes, it's going to be Investigator Markel Maxwell, Your Honor.
Right. May, June, July, August. That's 4 months I set this over. So I'm telling you, Attorney Bradford, I know you don't know all of it, but I set this on May 15th. This is why I'm frustrated. I set this on May 15th, and it's August 21st. And now, 4 months later, y'all let me know that we need to do something different on this.
Yes, Your Honor. And speaking with Ms. Wilson, it's a lot that's going on with this case. As I did speak to Madam Prosecutor in regards to this matter. We're both in agreement to, if possible, to set this matter back at pretrial stage so she could get a court-appointed attorney assigned to her case to put her in the best position possible to defend against these charges. Like I said, it's a lot going on with the background with this case. I'm not quite sure if there's some more cases coming, or is this?
They were sent back. Attorney Investigator Maxwell, did you get some tickets returned to you? They got sent back, but they sure let us know that there was some more tickets coming. They sure did.
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I had only tickets I got sent back were for a different trial that I had.
Was it for this Ms. Wilson or someone else?
Someone else.
Okay. And yeah, because Ms. Wilson even informed me there was a total of 21 tickets.
I know she had tickets as well from Officer Wimberly. I know he decided to drop his. I spoke with him this morning. He said he wasn't going to show because he said I was coming. So he said he's willing to drop his. And then I know there was another incident with Investigator Way but I'm not sure how Investigator Way is proceeding.
Now, when I did look up her cases in the system, I only saw these 14, Your Honor. However, we would like to make a motion to dismiss.
Oh, no. She can't have it both ways. No, I'm either proceeding on everything today or I'm not proceeding on, no, no. That's not fair. That's not fair. It's not fair to come on here and say these officers are not present. So I want to take the ones that where the officer is still here. We're gonna try and work those out, but the other tickets, I want them dismissed. Nope. We cannot show again for the next one.
Okay, Your Honor, I don't understand when you're saying it's not fair because even though today is trial date and we asking for an adjournment, me personally, I didn't represent her last court date or the arraignment. Because you know me, if it's something like this, I always request a court-appointed attorney when I know that something is vast where, like I said, we was to go to trial on this matter. There's not enough time for me to prep to effectively defend her on her case, and that's not her fault.
Correct. But I'm saying, if you're asking for a new date, then everybody gets a new chance. Not just the people who are here today. Everybody gets an opportunity. It's like saying you're not ready on your side, but since the prosecutor, they not ready on their side neither. Right? So nobody ready today because you said y'all made an agreement that we were going to set this for a pretrial on both sides. Is that correct?
Yes, but she didn't have any objections for me asking for a dismissal.
Okay, ask for the dismissal.
Pardon?
I said you can ask for the dismissal.
Like I say, it's not Ms. Wilson's fault, Your Honor. Either that Wimberly didn't show or the fact that in the interest of justice, that she be afforded the opportunity to effectively prepare.
Today, Mr. Bradfield.
In the interest of justice, it wouldn't be fair to move forward today for Ms. Wilson when she had this many cases. And
because you said both sides had agreed that it was going to be a pretrial so that we could figure this out and she could get appointed counsel for everything. Isn't that what you led off by saying today?
Well, yes, Your Honor, for the ones that the officer is here on.
Right. We're giving new pretrial. Let me ask my clerk. All right, Tuesday, October 17th for a pretrial. Tuesday, October 17th for a pretrial. I'll set her bond at $0 personal. Hopefully, if she has any additional tickets, those will catch up by that time. And then we can maybe. Now she needs appointed counsel, you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
And you said the pretrial date is going to be October 17th?
Yep, October 17th. Yeah, October 17th. Do we have to get the information from Ms. Wilson for appointed counsel?
I already have the form filled out. I just needed to put that date in there.
Yep. Thank you very much for doing that. All right, Ms. Wilson, We're gonna come back that day. It's gonna be a pre-trial. That way we hopefully can catch up. You said some additional tickets. I did see some tickets were returned at that point in time. Hopefully they're back with this court at that point in time for October 17, 2023. We'll get you some appointed counsel, then they'll be able to talk to you a little bit more about your options and what you can do. So we can try and figure out what's the best method for you, and they'll talk to you about that. I'm not a part of that discussion or conversation, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you back though. You do need to come back October 17th at 8:30 a.m. Bond will continue at $0 personal, okay?
This is everything still via Zoom?
Yep, everything's still via Zoom, the same way you came on today, Ms. Wilson, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You have a good day too.
Your Honor, am I good to go as well, or do you need any
are.
additional? All right, thank you,
You are.
Honor. Have a good one. All right.
Thank you very
Mr. Wolf, Brandon Wolf?
Yes,
Hi, you were here earlier. Why did you leave?
I lost connection.
Okay, have you spoken with an attorney?
He didn't get back with me as far as the prosecutor goes.
Okay, I'll put you back in a breakout room. Do you remember which one you were in?
I was in room 4.
Thank you. Just one moment. Ms. Wolf? I'm sorry, Ms. White.
Hi.
Welcome back. You were here earlier. Did you speak with an attorney?
Yes, I did. He put me back here and then I was pushed to a waiting area and then I lost connection. So I just logged back in.
Okay, I'll put you back in the waiting room.
Okay.
Ms. Walker?
Yes,
Did you just speak with the attorney?
yes, I did.
You're gonna go in the waiting room. Daphne?
Yes.
I just want to tell you, thank you for putting those notes behind their name. That
No problem.
way I don't have to ask them if they've spoken with an attorney yet.
It's no problem. That's my way of doing sticky notes. When I used to be in person, I used to have a sticky note in their file when I put up.
There are some other attorneys that do that too, and it's very helpful, you know, that everybody knows what's going on.
Thanks.
Hello? Hello?
Hey, sir, you were here
Hey,
earlier.
my name is Levante. I got kicked out my room. Somebody had called or something and it just dropped it, so I tried to join back in.
Okay, yeah. If you receive a call, just don't try to answer it, okay?
Okay.
We'll kick you off of Zoom. What's your last name, Mr. Levante?
Yes, ma'am. My last name is Williams.
Okay, do you remember which, have you spoken with an attorney yet?
He came in the room for a brief second and said he'll be back, but it was like he never really came back.
Okay.
But I want to say the room number was 14 or 13.
Okay, thank you. I'll put you back in room, one or the other of those.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. What's your name, please?
Teacher Williams.
Oh, you were here earlier, Ms. Williams?
No, I was already here, but I got kicked out of the meeting somehow. It's asking me for my ID number.
Oh, okay. You didn't answer. Did you answer a phone call or something?
No, I didn't answer the phone. They removed me from the I guess the attorney office, and I was supposed to put in I guess they clicked me to a meeting, and it asked me to put in my ID number, and I don't have it.
Okay, so did the attorney ask you to come back to the courtroom?
Yes.
All right.
We're supposed to be going to trial.
Okay, then I'll put you in a waiting room in just one moment. Just sit tight.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Daphne. Judge, I'm going to step away from the computer for about 3 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you for letting me know. Just come back.
Oh, sure. No problem. And Ms. Bradfield, I don't know if you saw the chat, but she's doing the same thing.
Corporal McCree, did they get your offer already for your case?
No, ma'am, I didn't speak to anybody.
Okay. Let me look at what this case is. I'm sorry, It's speeding. What do you want to happen? It's 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. What do you want to see happen?
Let's see here.
For a record. She was doing
We could do
30, 50 in a 35, it looks like maybe.
Right. If we could do 1 to 5, limited access.
All right. I appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am.
We need you. Can you just put your number in the chat for me? I'm gonna send you a message. Just put your number in the chat. I'm gonna let you log off. I don't know what's going on. I guess I do. I know what's going on, but all right, this is me. I'm gonna send you a message. Please put your number personally in the chat.
Okay.
And then you can log off for today. I apologize prophetically.
Your Honor, do you need me to speak to Ms. Warder about the offer?
Yes, please. That would be fantastic.
Thank you. No problem.
Got it, Corporal McCree. Thank you so much, okay?
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Attorney Bradfield, I thought it was limited access 1 to 5.
I talked to, she's supposed to be zooming in. Did she zoom in yet?
Okay.
Yeah, I told her to zoom in to let you guys know. So if she haven't zoomed in yet, I guess we could wait till she zoom in. I did tell her what McCree offered to.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Judge, I gotta step away again. I'm sorry. This,
Oh, listen, it's okay. Just take some time. How about you step away for about 10 minutes and then come back at noon?
oh, okay. All right.
That would be great, because I don't know when Attorney Dillard is going to join us.
All right, I just spoke with, co-counsel in regards to the matters of the people that's still in the waiting rooms. And I'm ready to proceed on his cases, Attorney Dillard. He told me what's
You
going
ready?
on. He
You
told
ready
me,
to proceed? All the cases in the waiting room?
let me look at this waiting room again. Walker, Jordan, Wallace, Andre White, Taisha, not Taisha Woods, because he said he's not sure. Let me speak to Taisha Woods, because he said he
I was
can't
about
remember.
to say, I'm gonna bring everybody back to the courtroom in a minute, and we just gonna handle it all online because they're.
There's no problem. He told me what happened to everyone's. He just can't remember if he told Miss Woods her offer.
Okay,
Taisha
you need me to
Woods.
just you need me to bring Miss Woods back in, Taisha Woods?
Yes, I just want to make sure he told her. If not, I'll tell her what the offer is.
You know, she has a lot of cases too, just so you know.
Oh, she does?
Let me
Okay.
see. Well, let me not lie. Hold on a minute. She just has some extra cases that are on warrant status. But if we know what the offer is, I'll add it to it, Attorney Bradford. You know I will.
He told me the offer is blockading.
Miss Woods?
Yeah, maybe we better wait on her.
I'm here.
I'm back.
Okay.
Might have to wait on her.
It's okay, Miss Woods. I know. Miss Woods, I apologize for this lengthy wait this morning. Hold tight. Attorney Bradfield, do you want to talk to her? Or you back in the waiting room?
Let's put her back in the waiting room because I just want to verify that that's what the offer is. When I'm seeing her cases on the docket.
Okay. All right. Hold on tight, Miss Woods. I promise I'm gonna get y'all out of here soon.
Okay, I'm ready on Sherilyn Walker.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay.
And I don't know if you heard me, Judge, but I am back.
I did not. Thank you so much. You don't have her? All right, I'm gonna bring in Nadia Ward so I can get it. Nina Ward. Ms. Ward? Order?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nina Warda. This is ticket SP 14534301. This is one count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Warder. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Nina Warda.
Your Honor, I did speak with Ms. Warder and I also spoke with City Corporation Counsel, and they indicated the offer is blockading. And she would like to enter a responsible plea to blockading.
All right, is that correct, Ms. Warder?
That is correct.
All right. Do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket, counsel, in order to establish a factual basis?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading in this particular matter. Ms. Warder, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay it. Is that going to be enough time for you?
That is enough time, Judge.
All right, so that brings us to September 5th, 2023. Ms. Warder, you look very nice for court this morning. I really do appreciate you putting on that nice blazer and putting yourself together. I appreciate it. All right, so that's 0 point offense. You just got to pay that fine, $175 by September 5th, okay?
Absolutely.
All right, thank you. If there's nothing further, thank you so much for your patience this morning, okay?
Have a nice day, everyone.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Thank you. I'm gonna start calling some of these folks that you have the stuff for, Attorney Bradford. Thank you very much.
Okay, no problem. Sherilyn Walker, Jordan Wallace, Andre White, Terrence Ward.
Okay.
Before I call this one, let me see what they have on the docket. And what's her name? Shakira White.
Okay.
Let's start with those first.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm bringing Miss Walker first.
Okay.
Sherilyn Walker. All right, unmute yourself for me.
I'm sorry. Hello. I'm sorry.
Hello. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Sherilyn Irene Walker. This is ticket SP 1470395, One Count Drive, unlicensed driver. Allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Then I have tickets that not on docket, Attorney Bradfield, but based on what we do, I'm gonna take them into consideration. Ticket SP 1477467, count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. And count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Walker. State your name for the record, please.
Sherilyn Walker.
In your honor, those 3 civil infractions, are they in default?
So not quite yet. They kind of are, because it was 8/18 that she was supposed to have paid them, but I'm willing to hear them because I want to know what the resolution is.
Okay, your honor. However, for the one that she was scheduled for today, I believe she spoke to co-counsel, and the offer for that one was a delayed sentence that's going to be closed upon payment. Is that
Okay.
your understanding, Ms. Walker?
Yes.
Okay, you do know you have a right to a trial, correct?
Yes, I do.
Knowing all that, you still want to enter a guilty plea?
Yes.
All right. In exchange, Attorney Bradfield, the 3 civil infractions I'll dismiss if she does this.
Thank you, your honor.
You're welcome. All right, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Understanding all of that, Ms. Walker, you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of June 30th of 2023. Did you own a Jeep vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, your honor.
And will you stipulate that it was in the area of Hubble and Tyler Streets in the city of Detroit?
We still
Yes.
stipulate, your honor.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, Ms. Walker. You didn't know. It's all right. All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The remaining 3 civil infractions, I'm going to dismiss as a part of this plea today, okay?
Thank you.
Now, this
Your
is also on, you're welcome. This is also on a delayed sentence, okay? A delayed sentence. How much time do you need to pay my fine of $200?
I can do that by no later than September the 8th, but I can do it before.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this on a 30-day delayed sentence. So that'll be September 22nd, 2023. If you pay this fine, I will dismiss this case.
Okay.
All right, so you have until then. If you don't, sign online on September 22nd, 2023, so I can find out what happened, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Walker. Thank you so much for your patience this morning, okay? Now, let me also tell you, Ms. Walker, it says you had some additional tickets that may have been sent back. So just keep your eyes open in the mail, okay? I took care of the 4 tickets I called on the record today. But if you get something additional after today's date, you might want to call the court and find out if those are the tickets they sent back, okay? Because it made a note on one of them that you may have some additional tickets, okay?
Okay, I'll definitely do that.
Right, but you got the 4 taken care of. So you're good on these 4 tickets, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, have a good day, Ms. Walker. Thank you.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye.
You didn't talk to Mr. Williams, did you, Latavia
No,
Williams?
no, Your Honor, I don't know what's going on with
Oh,
his
that's
case.
fine. Mr.
Yeah.
Williams, you spoke to the other House Counsel, so I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. We're getting there, okay? I'm sorry it's taking so long today, but we're getting to you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I am ready next on Jordan Wallace. It should be a dismissal for valid documentation.
All right, bringing them in now. Jordan Wallace. Mr. Wallace.
Yep, it's Miss Wallace.
Miss Wallace. Oh, sorry. All right, turn your camera on for me, ma'am. There you go. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jordan Leah Wallace. This is ticket SP 1457186. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Wallace. State your name for the record, please.
Jordan Wallace.
Your Honor, Mr. Dillard did indicate to me that this is a dismissal for valid documentation. We stipulate the probable cause.
Ms. Wallace, you were able to show some valid documentation of the vehicle being registered now.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle. Ms. Wallace, and sorry about that. I didn't see your name on the ticket first before I began to call it, but thank you so much, Ms. Wallace, okay?
That's okay. Thank you.
All right, have a good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. You ready, Andre?
Yes, Your Honor. This should be a adjournment of pretrial for compliance.
Okay. Andre White?
Hello?
Hello, Mr. White. Can you take your hat off for me, please?
Okay.
There you go. I know, Mr. White, you've been waiting, so I appreciate the patience. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andre Dion White. This is ticket SP 1445840. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket SP 1445846. Count 1, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. White. State your name for the record, please.
Andre White.
Your Honor, Mr. Dillard has indicated to me that Mr. White would like to ask that this pretrial matter be adjourned for compliance.
Is that correct, Mr. White? You need some more time to get stuff in order?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, how about October 16th? Does that work for you? Does that give you enough time?
Yes.
All right, October 16th, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you October 16th, 8:30 a.m. with all that stuff you need, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you do the same.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ready on Terrence Ward. This would be
Okay,
setting for pretrial.
Yes, ma'am. Terrence Ward?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Terrence Quincy Thomas Ward. This is ticket SP 1470569. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper plates. I'm going to call a ticket in default SP 1470613, tinted windows. Also calling ticket number SP 1371611, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Ward. State your name for the record, please.
That's you, Mr. Ward.
Yes.
Say your name, please.
Terrence Ward.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and wait for my reading.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding today?
I'd like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial date, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to set these matters for a pretrial date. That's October 16th, Mr. Ward. That gives you enough time to get everything in order, okay?
Okay.
October 16th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0. Make sure you come because I'm taking a ticket that was in default out so that you can handle all your matters, okay? When you don't come, it goes back into default and you gotta owe the ticket, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, see you October 16th, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Next person is Shakira White. I probably mispronouncing her first name.
That's okay, you came close, I see it. Shakira or Shakira White?
Hi,
Hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. All right. Now calling the how is it pronounced? How's your first name pronounced?
Shakira.
Shakira. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shakira Dixie White. This is ticket SP 13671241. This is one count failed to display. That's in warrant status. Then we have on the docket today, ticket SP 1447027, drove while license suspended, and SP 1447014, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. White. State your full name for the record, please.
Shakira Dixie White.
Your Honor, we would like to ask that this matter be adjourned for compliance. We would like to also add is that one matter that's in warrant status, that the warrant be recalled.
Absolutely. At this time, the court is going to recall the warrant. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf, and we can add it to the additional cases that the other two cases that she got.
And Your Honor, I noticed one of her matters is a civil infraction that comes with points. I just want to ask her, Ms. White, did you get information about taking an online driver improvement course?
Yes, I have the certificate.
Oh, you did take, okay, just make sure you have it next court date, okay?
Okay, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
I think the last one I think that you're gonna add is the one about the insurance.
It's a failed to display. So it was from July 13th of 2022. You failed to display a valid operator's license. In the area of Nichols and Grand River.
You talking about for what I'm here for today?
No, today you were here for a drive while license not valid, and that was Grand River and Northrop. And that was March 31st of this year.
I have another one. Okay.
Okay. You have some tickets that went into default too, but
yeah, I know I had one that went into default. It was about insurance, and I wanted to ask about that one because that's the one that pops up at the Secretary of State.
Yep. So that ticket, you want to write it down so you can pay it?
I wanted to ask, is there any way I can get it dismissed? Because it was just a period of time where I had to renew my insurance, and I did renew it. It's just I had moved and I didn't get the paperwork for it about the court date.
It was from 2021. So you waited for 2 years to come? It was from January of 2021.
I didn't know it was that long.
It was from January of 2021, January 28th. My clerk wrote it down so I know what date it was. That's how long ago it was. I
didn't know it was that long. I did move. I just thought I asked. If not, that's fine. I can pay it.
You got a speeding ticket with that too. You know that? You ain't coming to none of this stuff. You got limited access 1 to 5. It's no point. But you got a speeding ticket with that too. And they add all these late fees and fines with it, Ms. White. When you don't come to court, it's like you didn't even appear. It's like you're admitting guilt. And so they did that 2 years ago, right? No proof of insurance.
Your Honor, is it possible to set aside the default for those matters?
I'm sorry.
I'm speaking to the judge on your behalf.
I'm sorry.
That's no problem.
What proof of insurance does she have now? I understand why she doesn't have a valid license, but what proof of insurance does she have now?
I have insurance through Eaststate. I'm sorry. Insurance by Allstate.
What is it? What vehicle is it on?
The 2013 Chevrolet Malibu.
What color is it?
Blue.
All right, I'm leaving everything else in default. That includes the driving ticket that you got that day.
Okay.
You got a speed ticket you're gonna need to pay. That
Okay.
you got on that same day. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. At this time, the court's to
Your Honor, if
no, Mr. Dillon, let Attorney Bradfield finish this one, and then I'm gonna keep going.
it's just, I need Miss Woods in the breakout room, Your Honor. That's the only thing I'm asking.
Miss Woods. Oh,
Taisha Woods.
All right, so in the middle of my hearing, I'm going to stop. Miss Woods? Taisha? Miss Woods? All right, I'll leave her on the screen. Miss White?
Yeah.
Calling the case SP 115938882. This is one count, no proof of insurance. Attorney Bradfield, can I have your name for the record?
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. White. State your name again for the record, please, ma'am.
Shakira White.
All right, this ticket is a default. It's an older ticket. Ms. White has given to the court that she now has valid documentation for the vehicle in question. Do you have a motion, counsel?
We'd like to move that this matter be dismissed for valid documentation, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this ticket without prejudice. There may be a reinstatement fee on it. I can't waive that, Ms. White. That's $45. You're gonna have to pay that, okay?
Okay.
As well as the other speeding ticket you got, but there's no points because it says limited access 1 to 5, but you're gonna have to pay that ticket too. Okay, that's
Okay.
one of the reasons I'm gonna do it for you. Then get your license together so that way that you can come back, right? So then
Yes.
you can come back on your next day and hopefully show everything, and then we can take care of the other speeding ticket that you got, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. So I'm going to do this on the date of October 16th. Write that down, Ms. White. That gives you plenty of time. October 16th.
Okay. October 16th.
8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay.
Let me tell you, you don't need to take care of the speeding ticket right now, okay? The other
Okay.
one I was default, but you gotta take care of the reinstatement fee if that's what you need to pay. So that way,
Okay.
that'll take care of a couple of these tickets if you get your license back together, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, Ms. White.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Ms. White. Thank you for your patience. You ask, you receive. So sometimes it works, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much. You guys have a good day.
Okay, we'll see you
You
October
too.
16th, okay?
Okay. So I just hit the leave button.
Yep, just hit the leave button and that'll exit you out our program, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right. Did Ms. Woods hear us or no when we brought her in?
I'm sorry, yes, here earlier,
Let me
Jeff.
see. I know, it's okay. Ms. Woods, she was having trouble. Like, we need to talk to her. Ms. Woods, can you hear us now?
It's really low. And when I tried to turn my volume up, that's how I got kicked out.
So, Ms. Woods, there's gonna be, and if you swipe, you're on your phone, right?
Yes.
if you swipe all the way from left to right, and you're gonna see like a little speaker phone on it that says talk to speak. Look up in the corner, it has like a Bluetooth sign. Hit that Bluetooth sign, it'll make your phone louder.
You said it's at the bottom. I swipe up from the bottom.
At the top. So scroll
At the
from
top.
left to right, all the way to the thing that says tap to speak. You see a tap to speak?
Mic, standard mode. I
So
don't
up at
see
the top,
that.
it says driver stack. You see that little Bluetooth up at the top in the left-hand corner? Hit that.
Wait, I could barely hear you.
Okay. You see?
Hold on, let me
You see
see.
on that page, it says drive to speak. Hit the Bluetooth sign in the corner.
The
The
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Hold on. Delante, help him. I can't do that now.
The Bluetooth. You see it?
It's not letting.
It's not letting you?
Bluetooth. I don't see it. Bluetooth.
It's up in the corner. You see it on that last page where it's just black and it has a circle on it?
Can you repeat that?
It's black. The last page is black and it has a circle on it. You see that?
Last page.
Did you swipe all the way from left to right until you couldn't swipe anymore?
It's like when I take my phone away, when I take the phone away from my ear, I can't hear what you're saying.
Oh, okay, so put it back on the ear. I want you to swipe from left to right until you can't swipe anymore. It's gonna be a totally black page. It's just gonna have a circle in the middle, and it looks like tap to speak. In the left corner at the top, it's gonna be the Bluetooth symbol. Hit that symbol, and it'll take it off, and it'll put it like so you can hear it on the phone louder.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, can you hear us now?
I see where you stand. I still can't hear you. I did what you.
All right. It just might be your phone name, Ms. Woods.
Your microphone is unmuted.
Okay. I was gonna say it might just be your phone then. If that didn't work, if taking the Bluetooth thing didn't work, then that's not gonna be.
Yeah, it was working. It was working before my phone was about to die, and when I charged it, I thought that probably did something. I can hear you with the phone to my ear. Is that okay that I got the phone to my ear?
That's fine. Attorney Dillard just wants to talk to you in the breakout room, so I'm gonna have you join him in that room, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna put you in room number 1.
Okay.
Join that room. All right. Attorney Bradford, you ready on Derek Wood?
Yes, I don't see Derek Wood on the docket, but there is supposed to be a dismissal for valid documentation.
He received his documentation, so.
Yeah, so that's what it was for. Yeah.
Derek Wood?
Yes.
Mr. Wood?
Hey.
Hello. Now calling the matter of People versus Derek Keith Wood. This is ticket SP 144-83201. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Wood. State your name for the record, sir.
Derek Wood.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss for valid documentation. We stipulate the probable cause.
All right, this time the court is going to dismiss this matter because he has now had valid documentation. Sir, thank you for your patience this morning. Your case is now dismissed, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
All right.
What about Brandon Wolf? You know what we're doing with it, Mr. Wolf?
Brandon Wolf should be an adjournment to a pretrial date and requesting a court-appointed attorney. I did not speak with him, so I don't have any of his contact information.
That's fine. Brandon Wolf, thank you for letting me know.
No problem.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of People versus Brandon Wolf. This is ticket. Keep this iPhone person in, okay, Miss Sandy, because I know that she's been on. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brandon Wolf. This is ticket SP 1435882, one count illegal dumping. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Wolf. State your full name for the record, sir.
Brandon Markel Wolf.
Your Honor, we would like to ask that this matter be set for another pretrial date. And we would like to ask that a court-appointed attorney be appointed on his behalf.
All right. This time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of you, Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf, I need you to find a pen to call. You're going to have to call the courtroom. We need to get some personal information so we can get counsel appointed to you. You can't afford your own counsel, sir?
No.
Okay. All right. So you ready to take down a number? You can even put it in the notes in your phone. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
313
Yes.
965
Yes.
2293.
Yes.
Okay. I need 3 p.m. call today. Okay. Because I usually say noon, but we already at noon. So you got to call at 3 so you give my clerk the opportunity to have a break, and then we can be able to move forward. Sir, your pretrial date is going to be October 16th. October 16th at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
All right.
Your Honor, is this Miss Keisha Williams?
Miss Keisha, is this you, Miss Keisha Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'm
Now
ready.
calling the matter. Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Keisha Williams. This is ticket SP 1204102, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 1, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Miss Williams. State your name for the record, please.
Keisha Williams.
Your Honor, today is date and time set for trial. The officer did appear. I spoke to Mr. Diller. He indicated to me that this is a dismissal for valid documentation, and we stipulate the probable cause.
All right. All right, this time, if that is the case, that there is valid documentation that has been presented. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, I see what it was. Okay. So at this time, the court's going to grant that. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Thank you so much for your patience today, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, have a great rest of your day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right. We're about to take a break.
And I don't know what's going on with Levanta Williams. I
know.
can pop in to ask Mr. Dillard.
No, because you have to come back this afternoon, Attorney Bradfield, don't you?
Yes.
All right, we need a lunch break, so go ahead and hop off, and then I'll see you back at 1:30. Thank you so very much, okay?
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right.
All right.
See you all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Is it sign and fly this afternoon?
Yep.
Okay.
Good.
All right.
All right. Not after this morning, I'm telling you that. Mr. Williams, I'm sorry, you just hang out in my courtroom. I'm waiting for the attorney to come back. And so when he comes back in, we can be able to handle your matter. You just hold tight. I haven't forgotten about you. I know you're here, and I know that you want to resolve your matter or do whatever you need to do today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you be patient with me, okay?
Okay.
All right, you can turn your sound off and turn your camera off, and then you can just wait in the room, okay, until he comes back in here.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
But when I put.
All right, who are you ready on first, Attorney Dillard?
Levante Williams, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Williams?
Oh.
Requesting an adjournment and an attorney.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Levanta LaQuinn Williams. This is ticket SP 115326. One count open alcohol and a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your name for the record, sir.
Levante.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Ask that the warrant be recalled at this time.
At this time, the court's going to recall the warrant that was put out there for him missing his bench trial. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. How are we proceeding?
Request that this matter be scheduled for a pretrial, as well as that he be appointed an attorney.
All right. Court is going to set this for a pretrial on the date of October 16th, 2023. Mr. Williams, I need you to take down the phone number. Let me know when you're ready.
1 second.
Okay, just let me know. It's okay if it takes you a moment.
I got something.
313
313
965
965
2293.
2293.
We need to get some information from you. You're not able to afford your own attorney, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we need to get some information from you. It's personal information. I don't want it online. So call my clerk at 3 today. So you can give her a 3:15. So you can give her some information about your case, okay? So we can get you counsel assigned, okay?
Okay, I called that number today.
Call it today, yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. All right, I'll set your bond at $0. So call us today so we can get that set up for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay? Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-oh.
Your Honor, calling the next case.
What happened?
I thought he was done and I removed him. My bad. I'm sorry. He was saying something else after.
I know he was asking me a question, Miss Sandy. We didn't even give him enough time to be able to get off. Miss Sandy, I know we are pressed for time. I get it. But now I'm at the point where I'm just going at the pace going. I'm not, at this point, I've given up completely.
Judge, I just pushed it too soon. I thought.
It's okay.
Yeah,
Hopefully he
no.
calls and ask the question. Oh, it's him? Okay, hold on a minute. Let me handle him. Yes.
Your Honor, if you can call Taisha Woods, it's going to be a plea in this matter, pleading guilty to the amended charge of fail to display and responsible to the civil infraction of defective lights.
All right, Ms. Woods, can you please? All right, you can have it to your ear because I know you have to hear it, okay? You can have it to your ear. You have to hear it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Now calling the matters of people versus Taisha Woods. This is ticket number SP 1448453. One count improper use of dealer's specialty or historic plate. Count 2, defective brake lights. Also calling ticket SP 1448451. One count drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 726630. These two counts are in warrant status, but I'm making them as a part of the plea today. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Dillard. Ms. Woods, state your name for the record.
Taisha Woods.
Your Honor, today she wishes to take advantage of the plea offer, pleading guilty to failure display and responsible to defective lights and all other matters being dismissed.
All right, ma'am, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put the phone back to your ear, okay?
Okay.
Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you,
No.
or promise you anything in exchange for a plea, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, I do understand.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of April 4th of 2023. Ma'am, were you driving a Jeep vehicle in the area of East Auto Drive and Finland Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Or Finland, I'm sorry, street. And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
And did you also have some defective brake lights? Maybe one of the light bulbs blew out or something?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Stipulate the probable cause, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right, at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one count, defective brake lights. The other count is drove while license suspended, amended to fail to display. Ma'am,
Thank
the
you.
fine, you're welcome. The fine for defective brake lights is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, Ms. Woods?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna have that due no later than September 5th, 2023. Ms. Woods, you were very persistent and you kept signing back on. So on the other cost, I'm gonna waive it today, okay?
Oh, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're welcome. All right, but ma'am, if you have any reinstatement fees, I can't waive those. You have to pay those, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, with that being said, you just need to pay that $120 by September 5th, okay, ma'am?
Okay. Can I pay that online?
You can. You can go to 36districtcourt.org. Please just give us a few days to put it in the computer system though, okay, Ms. Woods?
Okay. Is there any like special ticket number I need to pay, or I could just put my name up and it'll come up?
You can pull your name up, but I can also give you the ticket number if you would like.
Okay, please.
Okay, let me know when you're ready, okay, ma'am?
Okay, I'm ready.
It is SP 144 84532.
Okay, you said SP 144-84532.
That's correct, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, good luck to you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Your Honor, I believe that concludes my docket. I don't see any other names up there.
It does. Take us off live real quick.